Welcome to my new blog post 33. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about enterprise and environmental factors, which are actually internal to the organization. So let's start. So basically, EEFs actually vary widely in type of nature with respect to internal to the organization, and they are organizational culture, structure, and governance. For example, including the vision, mission, beliefs, cultural norms, values, leadership style, hierarchy, and authority relationships. Uh, Organizational styles, ethics, and code of conduct. Then comes geographic distribution of facilities and resources. For example, factory locations, virtual teams, shared systems, and cloud computing. Then comes the infrastructure and, for example, existing facilities, equipment, organizational telecommunication channels, information technology, hardware, availability, and capacity. Then you can also include information technology software, for example, scheduling software tools, configuration management systems, web interfaces to other online automated systems, and work authorization systems. Then comes the resource availability, which example includes contracting and purchasing constraints, approved providers and subcontractors, and collaboration agreements. Then comes the employee capability. Example include existing human resources, expertise, skills, competencies, and specialized knowledge. So it is time for our star question. A project manager is working on a building a dam. He needs to recruit team across the nation, like engineers, logistics person, software operators, etc. He checks the existing force availability and capability. This is actually an example of what? Infrastructure, information technology software, resource availability, or employee capability. So the answer actually lies in this video. So please do not forget to answer the question in comment section of this video.